Imagine being 65, feeling like a rock star, climbing stairs like a champ, and opening jars without a struggle. Then one day, getting up from the couch feels like a wrestling match, and your legs say, "Nope, we are on strike." Don't panic, you are not alone. And I am not selling you a fancy gym or a protein shake named Hulk Juice. I have got 5 tiny seeds that beat eggs in protein, fight muscle loss, and keep you strong. Type 1 in the comments if you are ready to kick weakness to the curb. Welcome to Health After 60. I am here to help you stay strong and move freely after 60. As we age, our muscles shrink about 1 to 2% each year, says a 2020 Journal of Gerontology study. You might notice it when standing up feels hard or stairs make your legs wobble. But don't worry, today I'll share 5 super seed packed with protein and nutrients to rebuild muscles, strengthen joints, and boost energy. No expensive pills, just simple foods for your daily meals. Let's connect. Are you worried about leg strength? Comment yes or no. Type 1 if this sounds good, 0 if not. Stick around for an easy plan to make your body strong again. Hit subscribe and let's get moving. First up, hemp seeds, a small but mighty food called the king of plant protein. Just 3 tablespoons, 30 gram give you 10 gram of protein, more than an egg's 6 gram. According to USDA data 2023, this protein has all the building blocks your body needs to fix and grow muscles, which is key to fighting sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. A 2019 nutrient study says plant proteins like hemp work as well as meat for older adults, and they are easier on your stomach. Hemp seeds also have omega-3 and omega-6 fats in a great balance, cutting down joint pain and boosting blood flow to muscles. For a 2021 American Journal of Clinical Nutrition study, this helps you move without stiffness. They are loaded with magnesium, 210 gram per 30 gram to stop muscle cramps, plus zinc and iron for energy and endurance. Best of all, hemp seeds are easy to digest, unlike some beans. Susan, 68, from Ohio added 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds to her oatmeal in weeks. Her knee pain eased and she gardened longer thanks to the seeds. Anti-inflammatory fats sprinkled 2 to 3 teaspoons on yogurt, salads, or blend into a banana smoothie. Their nutty taste fits any dish, making every bite a step to stronger legs. Next, Sacha Inchi or Inca peanuts, used by ancient warriors for energy. These seeds have 8-9 gram of protein per 28 gram of matching an egg and are packed with omega-3 fats, says a 2022 Journal of Food Science reports. A 2020 clinical nutrition study shows omega-3 has reduced muscle loss in seniors by calming inflammation and improving nerve signal, so your steps stay steady and falls are less likely. Sacha Inchi also has vitamin E to protect muscle from aging damage, plus magnesium, zinc for better sleep and muscle recovery. They are gentle on your stomach, great for seniors. Our 2023 nutrient study confirmed they help joints and muscles stay strong. John, 72, from Texas, ate roasted Sacha Inchi seeds as a snack. After a month, he climbed stairs without shaky legs thanks to the protein and omega-3s. Add a tablespoon to oatmeal, mix into salads, or eat roasted as a snack. Their peanut-like flavor makes them easy to love. Moringa, called the miracle tree, is a superfood with 27 gram of protein per 100 gram, beating many seeds. Per USDA data, 2023 or 2021 Journal of Aging Research study says moringa's protein and antioxidant like quercetin reduce muscle soreness and help repair. It's rich in calcium, 185 milligram per 100 gram, iron and vitamins A, C and K for strong bones, better immunity and less tiredness. Moringa fights inflammation that causes joint pain. Per a 2022 Frontiers in Nutrition study, keeping your legs flexible, it's easy to digest, perfect for older adults. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to smoothies, soups, or dressings. Mix with avocado for better nutrients absorption. Start with half teaspoon and use organic moringa for safety. Firm. Tofu is a simple food with 8 gram of protein per 100 gram, equal to eggs, and easier to digest than meat. Per USDA data, 2023 or 2020 Geriatric and Gerontology International study says soy protein like tofu fight muscle loss. Tofu's calcium 350 milligram per 100 gram strengthens bones and iron boosts energy. Soy isoflavones reduce joint pain and help your heart. Per our 2021 Journal of Nutrition study, roast with spices for salads, stir fry with veggies, or eat cold with sesame seeds. It's great for diabetics since it keeps blood sugar steady. Quinoa, a tiny seeds-like grain, has 8 gram of protein per cooked cup, 185 gram, with all the amino acids for muscle repair. Per USDA data, 2023 or 2019 nutrients study says quinoa protein and magnesium 64 milligram per cup prevent cramps and build muscles. Its calcium and potassium help muscles move smoothly, while fiber keeps blood sugar steady and digestion easy. Cook with a 2:1 water ratio. Add to breakfast bowls or mix into salads. Rinse first to remove bitterness. You don't have to lose strength as you age. Hemp, sacha inchi, moringa, tofu, and quinoa are easy, science-backed ways to fight muscle loss and stay strong. Add a tablespoon to your meals daily and feel your legs get stronger. Which seed will you try? Comment below with your country. Let's grow strong together. Like, share, and subscribe to Health After 60. For more tips, hit the bell to stay updated. Let's rebuild your body one seed at a time and keep you moving with confidence.